In a quiet village called Blue Dream County, little Julia visited her grandpa every Sunday. Her grandpa had a big garden full of colorful flowers, trees, butterflies, and buzzing bees. "Every flower has a story," Grandpa would say. One day, Grandpa showed Julia a tiny seed. "With love and care, this will become something special," he said as he smiled. Julia helped plant it. She watered it, sang to it, nurtured it, and watched it grow. Grandpa told her tales of when he was young, and Julia was fascinated by his stories that she listened with her eyes peeled in excitement. Several weeks had passed, and the seed turned into a beautiful yellow sunflower taller than Julia. "You did this with patience and love," Grandpa said. Julia beamed and said, "Just like how you had taught me." As it was a hot day, they shared cold lemonade under the tall sunflower, giggling together. Julia learned more than gardening. She learned that older people are full of wisdom and warmth. Always make time for your grandparents. Spend time with elder family members as they have so much to teach us. Elders hold true wisdom and love that help us to grow, just like the tall yellow sunflower did. Respecting them brings beauty into our lives.